Okay, picking up where we left off. So in the gush, so you, like I said, you hear the sound of the speedboat first, right? Because it's louder than them waves crashing, the boat moving through the water. But you also hear that water moving too. Okay, keep on going. Finish it up for us, Elgin.
Light waves travel even faster than sound waves.
You need to know that. Underline that. So light waves. These waves right here and rays from the sun that light up the whole earth when we wake up in the morning. Those waves travel faster than sound waves. So how many of you might have, like, while watching a superhero movie, heard the phrase faster than the speed of light? Okay, like flash. That used to be a phrase back in the day.
What's that other movie called? Superman? I forgot.
Okay, when you think of it, let me know. We gotta keep on going. So I'm gonna finish it out.
It's Turbo.
Okay, I'm gonna finish it out, you guys. Let's get back to it. Light could travel around the earth 7 times in less than 1 second. Isn't that amazing? That last sentence. And I want you to know that. I'm going to tell you right now, that's going to be one of your bonus questions on your test. Light could travel around the earth 7 times in less than how many seconds? 1 little second.
So 0.06.
So yeah, less than a second. That is very, very fast. Okay? Put a star beside your reading check. We're going to answer that later. Okay? So now, moving on. Zamaria, waves characteristics.
These characteristics depend on the vibration that causes the wave. For example, a hit from a wind speed causes a drum wave. For drum wave surface move back and forth. The drum surface then pushes the air near it. This makes a sound wave in the air. The greatest height of a wave from its resting position is called an amplitude. In the drum example, the amplitude will be the greatest distance the surface travels in anyway.
Okay, pause. Okay. I want you to know the very first sentence. Waves characteristics depend on the what? The vibration that causes the waves. So a characteristic is basically a feature. If you don't know what the word characteristic means, it means the feature of something. So for example, look at my hair. What color is my hair? Brown or blonde, whatever. You know, it depends on how you look at it. So that is one of my features. Okay? Am I short or am I tall? I'm a short person. So that is one of my features. Okay? What color are my eyes?
Blue.
They green today. So those are one of my features. Okay? Let me see. Is Abby's hair straight or curly? Straight. Those are one of her features. So things, huh?
It looks kind of curly though.
Okay. Well, curly. It's just an example of a feature. So waves characteristics. So when we are talking about waves characteristics, we are talking about the features of that wave. Is it a high wave? Is it a low wave? Is it a wave that can move things? You know, characteristics are what makes something or someone unique. Characteristics are ways to describe things. Oh, Miss Powell, let me describe Miss Powell. She's short, she's black, that's my race. That's a characteristic of mine. She's short. She's black. She has on Converse.
She has brown hair.
She has brown hair. So characteristics are ways to describe things. Okay. These are called twists, but yeah, you can say braids if you want to. Okay. So let's keep on going. Oh, you also go ahead and underline, and you should already be doing this, coming naturally. Underline all your sentences with your vocabulary words in them. So it says the greatest height of a wave from its resting position is called its amplitude. And that's right over here on your word wall. So everybody look to the side. And you see an example of amplitude. Put a little star beside that picture. You see amplitude in the box. It is the greatest height of the wave from its resting position. And they show you the amplitude is on top of the wave. It's its greatest height from where it rests. Okay, keep on going, Zamaria.
High amplitude sound waves are louder than low amplitude sound waves.
Okay, so high amplitude waves are louder than low amplitude waves. So basically, they're saying the bigger the wave, the greater the noise. Okay, and the greater the impact. Okay, so who wants to keep on reading for me? Okay, Gage, go ahead.
The next paragraph. Scientists define wavelength as the distance between similar points on a wave.
So you need to underline that. So wavelength is kind of the opposite of amplitude. So amplitude is up and down. It deals with height. Wavelength is left to right or horizontal. It says wavelength is the distance between similar points on the wave. So you got your wave right here. And you have one point of the wave right here and the other point over here. That's the wavelength. I'm putting WL for short. And then your amplitude is with what's measured from the bottom to the top. Okay? It's that height. Basically, the height of the wave. Make sure you are studying your vocabulary words at home, because you want to make a good grade on your test. Okay? Keep on going, Gage.
It can be measured from the lowest point of the wave to the next lowest point of the wave.
Okay, keep on going for me, Gage.
Frequency is the number of wave repetitions in a certain amount of time. If a drum head moves back and forth very quickly, it makes wave with higher frequency. The sound wave the drum makes will have the same frequency as the vibration of the drum head.
Okay, so everybody, make sure you have that first sentence underlined. Frequency is the number of wave repetitions in a certain amount of time. The number that wave goes up and down, the repetition of a wave in a certain amount of time, okay? And also, go ahead and underline the first, second, third, the fourth sentence. I'm gonna finish reading it out. It says high frequency wave, sound waves have a higher pitch. You need to know that. High frequency sound waves have a higher pitch. So how many of you